The Power of Vitamin-Rich Foods, a guide to healthy eating. Hello, and welcome to today's learning journey. In this video, we're going to explore the world of vitamin-rich foods. Understanding what they are and why they're important is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Let's dive into the fascinating world of vitamins and the foods that are packed with them. Vitamins are organic compounds that are essential for our body to function properly. Unlike other nutrients, our body cannot produce vitamins in sufficient amounts. Therefore, it's crucial to obtain them through our diet. Vitamins come in different types, each playing a unique role in maintaining health. Some are great for our skin, others for our bones, and some are vital for our immune system. When we talk about vitamin-rich foods, we're referring to foods that are naturally high in one or more essential vitamins. Common examples include fruits like oranges, rich in vitamin C, vegetables like spinach, packed with vitamin K, and dairy products like milk, a good source of vitamin D. These foods not only provide the vitamins we need but also come with other health benefits. A balanced diet containing a variety of vitamin-rich foods is key to maintaining good health. Different vitamins have different benefits, so eating a range of these foods ensures that you get a comprehensive mix of nutrients. For example, vitamin A is good for eyesight, while vitamin E plays a role in protecting cells from damage. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be both fun and beneficial. You can add fruits to your breakfast, have leafy greens in your salads, or snack on nuts and seeds, which are high in several vitamins. Remember, the goal is to include a variety of these foods in your diet regularly. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of vitamin-rich foods. Including a variety of these nutritious foods in your diet can significantly impact your overall health. Thank you for watching, and keep striving for a healthy, balanced diet.